Hello and welcome to Scale Up As You Scale Up, or as I like to call it, SAUS. My name is Adil, and I'm thrilled to have you here. In this course, we will dive deep into the world of startup leadership. Whether you're an aspiring leader or a seasoned professional looking to enhance your skills. This course is designed to provide you with the tools and insights and strategies to help you succeed. I've spent over 20 years in various business functions, from sales to business development to customer care and operations management. I have also founded 9 startups myself. This course is a culmination of my experiences, lessons learned, and the best practices that will help you navigate the unique challenges of leading a startup. Throughout this course, we'll cover a variety of topics, including the philosophy behind the SAUS system, the common mistakes startup leaders make, and the importance of scalability for a startup or a company. We'll explore how to build a scalable company, navigate the ecosystem challenges, and dive into the 7 dimensions of the SAUS system or the SAUS principles. My goal is to help you develop a mindset that will increase your probability of success in your role through incremental improvements, quick course corrections whenever you make a mistake. By the end of this course, you'll have a solid understanding of what it takes to build a scalable, successful startup operation. This course is for anyone who has the opportunity to join or has joined a startup, a growing startup, as a senior leader or part of the top management, or a function owner. Whether you're coming from the corporate world or a failed startup or just fresh out of university, this course will provide you with the knowledge and the skills needed to thrive in a startup environment. I'm excited to embark on this journey with you. Together, we'll explore the principles, the practices to help you succeed as a startup leader. So let's get started and scale up as we scale up. See you in the next video where we'll dive into the objectives of this course and how you can make the most out of it. Thank you again for joining me on this exciting journey. Thank you.